Seana'S Adventure, where fun begins and never ends. I'm Sean'a. In today's video, we're going to be making Irish soda bread. It comes from Ireland, which is half my culture. Let's get to it. Very important to wash your hands. Here are the ingredients. You're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of buttermilk that you can make at home, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of butter, a bowl, spoon, and a loaf pan. And let's get to 3 cups of flour. Let's pour. 1. We're gonna add in some baking powder. And now some sugar. Now some baking soda. We're gonna mix all the dry ingredients. This is all your dry ingredients. Crack an egg. Make sure there's no cracks. And now let's beat it. We're gonna pour our eggs. Let's stir it together. Some buttermilk. If you can't find it at the grocery store, then you can always make it at home. Let's pour. Let's stir it. Irish is half of my culture, and I like making Irish soda. Stir until you have the right consistency. I'm literally cleaning off the bowl. Pour the butter in. And now let's stir. I love to cook. Do you guys like to cook? My mom doesn't enjoy cooking, but I will help her. This is so much fun and so satisfying. We're gonna preheat the oven to 320 degrees. Sorry, 325 degrees for 65 and 75 minutes. This is how it should look. Kind of looks like cake batter. The ingredients are almost the same, and it smells good. You have a greased loaf pan. Now it's poured in. This is what it should look like. And now we're going to put it in the yellow. Very, very hot. Tell you a little bit about the Irish soda bread. The soda bread was created in the 1830s. And the first iteration of baking soda was introduced by the United Kingdom. Comment down below if you ever tried this recipe out. And do you guys like it? I think you guys might. Those of you who can't find buttermilk, I'm going to show you how to make it. 1 cup of milk and a tablespoon of lemon juice. You will microwave it for 45 seconds. Let it sit for 10 minutes. And mix it well, and there goes your buttermilk. There you have it, guys. Here's our Irish soda bread, and it's so good. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a huge